Shobha, Shobha, Shobha. Who is this Shobha? And what is this Shobha? Actually, I am too confused to find out who is this Shobha. To solve this mystery, to find where is Shobha, who is Shobha, we have invited at our channel in Dubai show Miss Hana, relationship manager, to find actual में who is Shobha. So let's go find out where is Shobha, who is Shobha, and what is Shobha. Let's go. So finally, to solve the mystery of Shobha, who is Shobha, what is Shobha, and where is Shobha, we have invited at our channel in Dubai show Miss Hania, relationship manager of Shobha. Miss Hania, thank you so much
Thank you so much, Dhruv, for calling me.
for coming to In Dubai show. Could you tell us and tell our viewers what is Shobha, who is Shobha, and what is Shobha actually planning to do in UAE?
So, Shobha is a developer in Dubai, and we've been one of the top 3 developers in Dubai last year as well. And Shobha, the word comes from our chairman, Mr. PNC Menon.
Okay.
It's his wife's name.
Okay.
So he named this entire estate under her. So that's where Shobha came from. It's his Mr. PNC Menon, our chairperson. It's his wife's name.
Name, okay.
Yes.
Okay.
And Shobha as a company has been in the industry for the past more than 15 years right now in Dubai. It's the only backward integrated company, which means that we do everything in-house. Like from the facades, the materials, the architects, the interior designers, everybody is under Shobha. We do not outsource anyone.
Anyone. So everything is in-house.
Yes.
When you say in-house, meaning can you emphasize more about what is in-house of Shobha?
So by in-house, I mean that everybody, like even the architects,
Okay.
are under the payroll of Shobha.
Okay.
I don't know if I should mention that. I don't think-
Okay.
Yeah, I'll cut.
Yeah.
So by in-house, I mean the entire team is under Shobha.
Okay.
You get it? So we do not outsource companies that do the architecture or the designing work for us.
Okay.
You get it? So it's all under the name of Shobha, and we're all under the Shobha employees.
Shobha employees.
Yes, we're all Shobha employees, and today Shobha has more than 40,000 employees working with them.
Excellent. So basically what you're trying to say is Shobha is one-stop shop for every need of the buyer.
Exactly.
Okay, so the buyer doesn't have to go anywhere.
Nothing at all.
So can you specify a few projects of Shobha which you would like to pass it through our channel to our viewers, where they should emphasize in the upcoming projects of Shobha?
Yes, definitely. So we've got 2 of our really hot selling projects. One is a villa community which is about 20 to 25 minutes from downtown, called Shobha Elwoods.
Shobha Elwoods.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. And the second one is a natural island property that we've got and which is never seen before. We've got the Sinia Islands. which is
Sinia
in-
Islands.
Yes, which is in Al Quwain.
Al Quwain. Okay.
Yeah.
So Sinia Islands I've been hearing this name Sinia Islands for a very long time. Everywhere I go, and this is the second interview you're doing with in Shobha. So I was just trying to figure out. Can you tell our viewers more about Sinia Islands, please?
Yes, definitely. So Sinia Islands is one of a kind property where you've got 90 million square feet of the entire island, a natural island.
90 million, huh?
Yes, yes. And where we have made a community on 16.1 million square feet.
16.1 million square feet.
You
Okay.
can imagine how big that is.
Big that is, yes.
Exactly. And it's not easy for somebody to create such a huge community, and we are doing that. We're
Okay.
the sole developers on the entire island, where we've got 3 modes of transport. I think you've not seen that anywhere in any
No,
other
no, no.
island.
Please emphasize more on these 3 modes of transport,
So
please.
we will have 3 modes of transport, which would be, one of the major ones would be, of course, the road that's connecting you from Dubai all the way to the island. And then the second one we would have would be the water connectivity. So we'd also have water connectivity.
So you'll have like speedboats taking
Yes.
your residents from one place to another.
Yes, definitely.
Okay. And what is the third mode?
And the third mode is the air. So we will also have like a helipad in the island.
Island. Oh, okay. So the people like who are very wealthy can actually get into a chopper and just land there
Yes.
and
And
enjoy their vacation home and come back. Huh?
Yes, definitely.
Excellent, excellent. What is this community going to be all about? Are they going to be villas only, or are they going to be apartments, or what is this entire thing all about?
So the best part is that we've got a variety. Okay, we've got villas, we've got apartments. Like we've got 2 themed apartments. One is going to be the marina facing, and one is going to be the beach front.
Marina facing and the beachfront.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, and all of the apartments on the beachfront are going to have the beachfront access,
Okay.
which is very unusual, I would say, because sometimes what happens is that certain apartments have the beach access, certain of them don't.
Don't. Okay.
Yeah.
And what kind of price point is like a starting price point for Senior Islands?
So right now, the starting point for Senior Islands is about 1.25 million for a one bedroom.
One bedroom. And what is the square feet we are looking at?
We're looking at about 515 square feet.
515
Yes.
square feet for a one bedroom.
Yes.
And what are the price points for a villa?
So the villas that we've got, like completely beachfront, are starting at about 10.5 million dirhams.
10.5 million dirhams. Huh?
Yes.
And what is the square feet you get in that kind of price point?
So you're getting about 4,800 square feet. It starts about there, and really good plots as well. And
Okay.
you're directly moving out of your villa and you're on the water.
On the water, huh?
Of course.
And what is the ROI a person can expect, like a customer can expect if they, if they invest with Senior Islands?
So a minimum ROI that a person would extremely expect would be about 15%.
15% per annum.
Per annum. That's
On an apartment or on a villa?
on an apartment.
On an apartment. That's
Yes.
like for a one bedroom, you're saying,
Yes,
huh?
100%.
Excellent. So you have 1, 2, and 3.
Of course.
That's the kind of variety you have. Excellent, excellent. Thank you, Miss Anya.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much for educating us on Senior Islands, and thank you so much for joining us at In Dubai show.
I'm more than happy to do that.
Thank you.